Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll dive deep into a detailed comparison between two of the most popular neo-brokers in Europe, Scalable Capital and Trade Republic. As the financial landscape evolves, these platforms have emerged as key players offering low-cost trading opportunities and interest on uninvested cash. Let's explore which one might be the better choice for you. Both Scalable Capital and Trade Republic are renowned for their low fees, wide range of tradable securities, and innovative features that cater to both beginners and seasoned investors. They have different pricing structures and service offerings, making it essential to understand their key differences to make an informed decision. Starting with Scalable Capital, this platform offers a variety of plans tailored to different types of investors. They provide 3 plans: Free Broker, Prime Broker, and Prime Plus Broker. The Free Broker plan allows you to trade with a flat fee of 99 € per order. The Prime Broker plan, which costs €2.99 per month, offers commission-free trading. The Prime Plus Broker plan costs €4.99 per month and includes additional features like a higher interest rate on uninvested cash. One of the significant advantages of Scalable Capital is its extensive selection of securities. You can trade over 7,000 stocks and more than 20 ETFs. They also offer access to 2 market makers, GIDEX and Zetra, providing more trading flexibility and potentially better liquidity. This broad range makes it appealing for investors looking to diversify their portfolios extensively. In terms of cost, Scalable Capital shines with its competitive pricing, especially if you opt for their Prime plans. The flexibility of switching between plans based on your trading frequency and needs adds a layer of convenience. Additionally, Scalable Capital does not charge custody fees, which is a significant plus compared to traditional banks. Now, let's look at Trade Republic. This platform is known for its simplicity and straightforward pricing model. Trade Republic charges a flat fee of €1 per trade, making it incredibly cost-effective for frequent traders. Like Scalable Capital, they do not charge custody fees, and there are no negative interest rates on uninvested funds. Trade Republic offers a wide range of securities, including over 8,000 stocks and 1,500 ETFs. However, they only operate through the Lang & Schwarz exchange, which might limit liquidity compared to the dual exchange options provided by Scalable Capital. Despite this, most casual investors may not notice any significant difference in trading experience. One unique feature of Trade Republic is its offering of real cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. This is a distinct advantage for investors interested in direct cryptocurrency investments. On the other hand, Scalable Capital offers exposure to cryptocurrencies through exchange-traded products, which might be preferred by those looking for a more regulated and less volatile investment vehicle. Both platforms pay interest on uninvested cash, with both offering a rate of 4%. However, Trade Republic caps the interest-bearing amount at €50,000, whereas Scalable Capital allows interest on amounts up to €100,000 within their promotional limits. This makes Scalable Capital slightly more advantageous for investors with larger cash holdings. When it comes to savings plans, both brokers perform well. Trade Republic offers unlimited savings plans with a minimum investment of €10 per month. In contrast, Scalable Capital allows savings plans starting from just €1 per month. This lower entry point can be particularly appealing for new investors or those looking to start small. In terms of security, both platforms offer robust protections. Funds in both accounts are protected up to €100,000, ensuring your investments are safe. However, Scalable Capital has an edge with its affiliation to Border Bank AG, which might provide additional reassurance for some investors. Another critical aspect to consider is customer support. Scalable Capital stands out by offering telephone support, which can be a significant advantage if you encounter issues or need assistance. Trade Republic relies heavily on its FAQ section, and does not offer direct telephone support, which might be a drawback for those who prefer immediate assistance. Regarding promotions and bonuses, both platforms have attractive offers for new customers. Scalable Capital often extends bonuses to existing customers as well, which can add extra value over time. Trade Republic also offers variable gifts and bonuses for new users, making it worthwhile to check current promotions when deciding to sign up. Finally, let's touch on the platform's availability across Europe. Both brokers are expanding rapidly but are currently available in a limited number of countries. Scalable Capital is active in Germany, France, Austria, Spain, Italy, and the Netherlands. Trade Republic is available in Germany, Austria, Spain, Italy, and Portugal. In conclusion, the choice between Scalable Capital and Trade Republic depends on your specific needs and preferences. Scalable Capital offers more flexibility with its different plans, a broader selection of securities, and additional market access. It is particularly suitable for those who trade frequently or have larger amounts of uninvested cash. Trade Republic, with its straightforward fee structure and availability of real cryptocurrencies, might be better for casual traders and those interested in direct crypto investments. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.